Well, this is how it starts. Two lovers in the dark, on the run from the one that they call Chef Spark. 6 guns by the side and bullets round their waist. 2 shots to the sky, signal sign for the chase. The safe was nearly empty and they were nearly free, but was seen by the good eye of the mean Billy Green. And he screamed at the top of his lungs, they're on the run. It's the 2 outsiders, grab your horses and your guns. I said I wish that we could stay here, but I fear our time has come. We can ride out in the darkness, chasing the rising sun. We gotta pack our bags this instant, we're heading southbound to the next town. And if we arrive there so safely, baby, you can lay me down. Lay me down, lay me down, lay me down.
Well, it's the story of the 2, always on the move. They got nothing left to lose except their guns and their wounds. Now they're crossing border, sheriff's posse on their tail. They'd rather die together than be stuck up in a cell. They drank up all the whiskey and they partied every night, like it could be the last. The bounty said to shoot on sight. So they chased the endless summer, knew it came with the pride. They wouldn't stop running till they found a paradise, but the sheriff finally found him with the sight seeing red. So the lovers had to shoot him down and fill him full of lead. They were finally free to find a place to lay their head. And when they finally did, he looked at her and he said,
I said I think that we can stay here, 'cause I feel our time has come.